Hello guys, welcome back to Olympus Mons, and today we will talk about this compare search results. I've not qualified yet. I've completed the training and I'm taking qualification just right now. Okay, so let's start. Three hits available, and sorry, three qualification attempts available, and 20 hits in each of those qualifications. Okay, so okay, So let's look at it here. It's a dominant stock price. The user wants to know about this dominant stock price. Side A and side B, both are giving NASDAQ website ranking. There's websites and dominant space stub is price. There's no price written here. I think course needs analysis part. So this will be better side better. Yeah. So like I said, A is better. Okay. Mm, Submit. Okay, let's go to next. The carrier greenbank.com.np user has navigational query. He wants to go to this, he or she wants to go to the greenbank.com.np. So green into NP, I think this will be better. Okay, so side B, submit, confirm. Okay. Third query is the McDonald's tuition assistance. Hmm. How to get McDonald's tuition reimbursement, scholarship 360. How much does McDonald's offer in tuition reimbursement? About cents. Okay, so okay, yeah, so it's similar. And next, the Japanese literature novel 2021. Uh, the sites which are brought together are book depository, both the same site. So, but what's the description? What's the description? 10 Japanese novels to read, very clear and clear. All this first person. It's about the same, I think, yeah. So select for the same, submit. Okay, so next is central idle location, wow, MOP. So to the same websites, wowhat.com against the same quest. But you can say the description is good here. Yeah. So let's go to the site A. Okay, submit. It's okay. Okay, so next query is what is melancholia? C wants to know about the melancholia. And so Wikipedia sites are brought up. So Melancholia is 20 called drum art film. Okay. Charlotte, Sutherland, give okay. And Kirsten Dunst, Charlotte Gainsborough. Okay, about the same. Yeah, same. How long time do you do sex to get pregnant? Okay, so you want to know about this query? How soon after sex do you get pregnant? Same, so very well family.com this site is brought. Conception when the egg is fertilized by the sperm. It takes in like so sex on Monday and late on Thursday. So I think this is good. Yeah. So site based on benefits of beans. Jai beans, beans, right? That's about the benefits. The same site website. So black beans, nine with sensory study and this studies. This one. Black beans can bring your insulin sensitivity. B is better. Okay. Patriots versus Bills. The ESPN. So this is about like Bills, total division, rival Patriots. Okay. I think A will be better. Okay. Submit. Definition programming language. So user wants to know about what's the definition of the programming language. What is programming language? So this make use of the site is brought up and it can be called and used multiple times. So a function is a block of code that performs a task can be called and reused multiple times. So functions you can library many programming languages. Here you can pass information to a function. Okay, set B is better, I think. Yeah, let's go. Submit. Okay, Tsunami Watch Hawaii. This is the query raised. Tsunami Watch and from Hawaii. So Hawaii's website is brought up. June, July 28, 2021. What is in